Just stand it like on your leg.
Ganyan lang?
Okay, first of all, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ramon and the horse name is Sogo.
Sogo?
Hotel?
So good, so clean. Every day we take a bath.
Oh.
But you are riding in my Ferrari 1 horsepower.
Oh, wow. See, we're riding in a Ferrari.
Not my Ferrari, this is the original transportation during Spanish.
Pwede kang pumunta sa harap eh. Para makita ka. Dito.